Good evening students. Welcome to class 7th maths. Now I am going to teach you practice set 35 second one. A rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter long, means length of a rectangle, and 5x plus 3 centimeter broad, means breadth of a rectangle. Find its area. You have to find area of a rectangle. So let us begin the sum. So first statement you have to write length of a rectangle is equal to 8x plus 5 centimeter. Second statement will be breadth of a rectangle is 5x plus 3 centimeter. So you have to find area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle formula is length multiplied by breadth. L stand for length and B stand for breadth. So according to this formula of area of a rectangle, length of a rectangle what is given, that write it. Breadth of a rectangle what is given, that you have to write, and in multiplication form by using the formula of area of rectangle, that is 8x plus 5 centimeter is length multiply breadth is 5x plus 3 centimeter. In practice set 35 yesterday which I taught you fourth sum, you have to do same method of this. Two expressions of binomial form is there. This is first expression of binomial and this is second expression of binomial. So you have to use same method. You can see this method of two expressions of binomial yesterday which I taught you an example of multiplying a binomial by a binomial. So that step you have to use. Now you have to solve this. First expression is what? 8x plus 5 centimeter. You have to take it first term of first expression of binomial. First term is 8x multiply second term which is their binomial expressions here, that full you have to write in bracket, multiplication form. Now second term is plus 5 centimeter. Second term of first binomial expression is 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, multiplication form you have to write second expression of binomial form full. Remember this method, always second expressions of binomial which is given, that will repeat two times and in multiplication form of both the terms of first binomial expressions. And now you have to solve. You have to use A into B plus C formula of 2 times. A into B plus C formula. This is A and bracket 1. This is B and this is C. Put the arrow mark and write in multiplication form. A into B plus C formula is A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. That is 8x multiply 5x plus 8x multiply by 3. Okay. Now we have to go through second term. In second term also you have to write A into B plus C formula. You have to use that. A into B plus C formula is A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. 5 cm is A, 5x is B and 3 cm is C. That you have to consider and you have to use that formula and do. Can put the arrow mark and write multiplication form if you don't know. Plus 5. Here 5 cm which is given in question, don't write centimeter when you solve. Okay. Plus 5 into 5x A into B. Okay. Now this one plus 5 into 3 plus A into C. Don't write centimeter. This is question. When you are solving, don't write centimeter. After getting answer, you have to write unit. Now in this you have to solve. 8 5s are 40. X into x, x square. Plus 8 3s are 24. You have only one x. You have only one number with variable. That is x. Plus 5 5s are 25. You have one number with variable x. So write x. Plus 5 3s are 15. Now look over here. You are getting these two number like terms. Same variable, different numbers. Means you are getting two numbers with like terms with same variable. If you are getting these two different numbers with same variable, you have to solve this one. Unlike terms, you have to write as it is. That means 40x square. You don't have other number with x square, write as it is. Plus you have to add these two number which you have the same variable, which you have the like terms. So if you have same variable, write variable as it is. Numbers will be added. (24 plus 25 is 49). I am getting 49 hex. Plus this is the number without variable. You don't have other number without variable. So now you are getting answers unlike terms. So this is your answer. Remember, this unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. You are getting different terms over here. Different same variables with different terms you are getting. So this is your answer. And finally you have to write unit, square centimeter, because you have founded area of a rectangle. When you find area, the unit of area is square meter and square centimeter. Remember this point. Thank you.